to do our journal spread with the this month's freebie, and I've already chopped them up and started stitching some of them, but it's these little girls, and my focus word for the year is balance, so I called them the balance girls, I think is what they were called. And so I've cut out all the pieces, add some other scraps in here, and what I think I'm going to use is these two that I've stitched, and all I've done is taken a piece of scrap paper, some ribbon, some more scrap paper, and then this girl, and just kind of layered them and stitched them. Just circle stitched, trying to avoid the face. If you plan on stitching, sometimes it's nice to leave a little white border around the figure, especially if there's a face on it, so that you can stitch on that edge. I might even go a little bit bigger if I were you, but anyways. And I print these off on pretty good paper. I'll leave a link to the paper that I use, but I like the paper because the prints just look really good on them. And I don't have a fancy printer. And then I thought this little ticket thing a friend gave me might work for ephemera, so I have that over here. I never know until I start diving in what I'll actually do, but so I put down some colors. I have some Senlier soft pastels, and I can't remember. I think that's Senlier. I don't think this is. This might be Jack Richard Eason or whatever his name is. One of those. Let's see. One of these maybe? I don't know. Anyways, soft pastels, just a hot pink one, and then a ochre color. And then this is, I put some of this quinacridone nickel azel gold. And then here I have cobalt turquoise, sorry, and green gold, and then just some white. I have a Stabilo pencil. I have a sticker maker just in case I want to use it, a glue gun, and some mark making tools here, and a pencil, and just kind of my tea and whatever I have. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of create and play in this, and you can watch along, but I'm going to just put it to music unless I have something I need to stop and tell you. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play in the layers of this and add the different pieces. But I just wanted to show you guys how I use the clip art that I give you for free in my newsletter. So let's meet back at the end. Okay, so here's the final. Basically, my goal today was to play, use some of these little scraps these little clip arts that I found, and then in the end I pulled some more vintage papers and threw them in, and then to make them stand out a little better or kind of merge with, because I wasn't loving this color with the rest of the colors, but I love a little splash of color of yellow in places. So I just kind of left a little corner there and then just kind of covered it up and used the Stabilo to add some depth, and then just drew a scribbly botanical there. And in the background I did some, even though they're covered up, I don't know, it feels good to do that type of thing. But anyways, this is the final result. Again, this clip art will be available to download. Well, it'll be in this January, so January 2021. It's going to be in my newsletter for a free download. And if you haven't signed up, I will leave a link to where you can go to my website and sign up for the newsletter. About once a month, I put a free download in there. I just think they're fun to do, and so I like to share them with you guys. So anyways, that's what this month's will be, and this was just a fun, messy little moment for me. Thank you for joining me, and remember to subscribe for more tutorials.